Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install NetBeans 13. Just type NetBeans download and click on NetBeans releases. Now you can see older releases. Click on find out more and you can see Apache NetBeans 13. Just click on download and you can see installers. Just click on Windows x64. So I have already downloaded. Now click on next, check the box and click on next. Now as you can see the JDK is given, so that means I have already installed JDK 17. So make sure to install Java JDK 17. So if I type Java space -version, I can see my Java JDK version 17.0.7. so you need to install this version. You can install any version, just make sure to install any Java JDK version and make sure the Java JDK is compatible. Now click on next, install. So this is how you install NetBeans 13. Make sure to like and subscribe and watch more videos.